Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome. Making more out of wood. Well, if that's not an apt title for this year's LIGNA, we are very much looking forward to lots of world firsts and, of course, to all of you, the visitors. And one of the people who can hardly wait for LIGNA is Fabian Hornstein. So to help you and him pass the time until LIGNA, he's taking a little road trip. Hi, Fabian.
Hi, Yasmine.
So tell us, what have you experienced so far on your road trip?
Yeah, a lot. So, I have experienced how they plan a fair booth, and yet this alone is like super complicated. But then thinking of all the shipment and how all the machines are getting shipped to LIGNA, super interesting stuff. And then what I want to highlight is the timber house. We deconstructed a timber house to ship it to LIGNA, to build it up there, to present it to our customers. I think that's crazy cool. And not only in Germany, also all the international locations that are involved in creating an amazing fair for our customers, shipping their machines to present all the cool features we got. I have known that creating a fair like this is like not an easy task for sure. But seeing it with my own eyes and experiencing and seeing how many people and departments and who is involved and how this whole process and how long it takes, it's amazing.
Thank you so much, Fabian. I must confess that I have already watched some of the first episodes and I cannot recommend it to you enough. You can watch all episodes here on our YouTube channel. Incidentally, someone who is also very much looking forward to LIGNA is HOMAG CEO Dr. Daniel Schmidt. He himself comes from a carpentry household, so he has a very special connection to our favorite sustainable material and, of course, also to the trade fair all about it.
At HOMAG, we are all looking forward to LIGNA. One of our top LIGNA topics is the preservation of resources. Optimized material use, for example, ensures greater sustainability. Thanks to our technologies, electricity and extraction energy are minimized. In this way, we set the standard for greater efficiency and highlight potential savings. Our trade fair stand is also equipped with sustainable materials to preserve resources. In our HOMAG Innovation Center, you will get lots of ideas from us on more sustainable and efficient production. And we will provide insights into innovative processing methods. Because our goal is to reconcile economy and ecology. Visit us at LIGNA. I look forward to meeting you.
The world's leading woodworking trade fair is not only known for its excellent face-to-face encounters, but above all for the numerous highlights and innovations from the industry that can be seen there. And that is why HOMAG is bringing exciting new software highlights to LIGNA. The world's leading woodworking trade fair is not only known for its excellent face-to-face encounters, but above all for the numerous highlights and innovations from the industry that can be seen there. And that is why HOMAG is bringing exciting new software highlights to LIGNA. The WoodWop CNC programming system is entering a new round. The latest version is ready, WoodWop 8.1. Working closely with carpenters, the software has been developed even further, offering lots of new functions that make work preparation and working on the CNC noticeably easier. One enhancement, for example, is the pocket editing programming that has been completely reworked. The operator can now define the approach mode, the reference point, and the shape. This means that when it comes to programming, the level of flexibility is significantly higher. Another highlight is the furniture design software SmartWop. It is not only easy to use, but it also offers a great deal of flexibility when it comes to designing furniture. With the CAD/CAM system, furniture can be created by drag and drop, and without any CAD knowledge whatsoever. All production data are automatically generated and forwarded to wherever it is needed. Whether it's pure technology, smart software, or the service, our experts are passionate about developing and offering individually tailored solutions to provide our customers with holistic support. Feel free to stop by our booth. There, we will once again be offering our App Plus package free of charge for 1 entire year for new as well as existing customers. This will improve your processes with just a few clicks. You can also win valuable vouchers in our service area. The keyword here is ace up your sleeve. So it's worth stopping by in Hall 14. And yes, you are going to be able to see lots of exciting HOMAG highlights at LIGNA, and of course, these were by no means all of them. The combination of power, speed, and technology with intelligence and self-learning functions was the core driver in the development of the new S300 and S400 SAW series. The new saws have a higher performance level and, at the same time, with lower energy use and greatly improved ergonomics. Someone who knows much more about it is our expert.
Hi Jasmine. Unfortunately, I can't tell you too much yet. But this much can be said. We have dealt intensively with the current challenges of our customers and developed tailor-made solutions. One of these solutions will be the tolerance check, which will not only raise the cutting process to a new level of quality. What exactly is behind it and many other highlights we will present in our keynote on May 4th. Save the date in advance, then you can see for yourself how the new SAWTEQ S-300 and 400 cutting forward.
All right, thank you so much. I will definitely take a look at that, and if you do not want to miss the keynote either, simply click on the link in the info box or check out live.homag.com. And now, all I have left to say is if you do not have your LIGNA tickets yet, you can get them directly from us on the HOMAG website. And then, hopefully, we will see you at the HOMAG stand in Hall 14. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.